Welcome to another edition of the Smart Budget channel, and today we'll be doing a Walmart product review of the Casemate 3-hole puncher. This is a metal base constructed hole puncher for 12 sheet capacity, model number 703. It's just a generic brand under $3 at your local Walmart store. You can only buy it at the store, you cannot buy it online at their website. The dimensions is 10.83 inches by 2.56 inches by 1.81 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and do a product test on this to see if we can actually punch 12 sheets at a time. I needed something for my office, so I decided to pick up this nice budget-friendly hole puncher. Go ahead and take it out of the package here. So as you can see, a metal base constructed hole puncher, and on the bottom here has a rubberized tray in here where the excess paper goes in there, and this is non-adjustable, so it only will punch it one way, can't adjust it. And I got 12 sheets of paper here. And there you have it. 12 sheets of paper, punch right out, no problem. And you just open this flap here. To get the excess out. Dump it in the garbage and then put the tray back on. I would suggest to put the tray back on from the front to the back, much easier than back to the front. So flap it in that way, and there you have it. It did 12 sheets, no problems. I'm giving this product a thumbs up, under $3. Again, thank you for tuning in to the Smart Budget channel, and if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button below. We do budget-friendly product reviews here, anywhere from prepper items all the way to household items and everything in between. We also do Dollar Tree hauls here, Walmart hauls here. We also do Amazon and eBay hauls and product reviews of those items as well. We can get off eBay and Amazon. We also do a seasonal series of EDC, which stands for Everyday Carry, so stay tuned for that. We also do some personal finance talk here. And if you're interested in any of those subjects, including our DIY projects and our Dollar Tree life hacks, hit that subscribe button below. And for all my returning subscribers, stay smart, stay on budget, and have a great day.